Join me as I dive deep into the world of knock sensors and try to uncover what's really going on inside your engine. So, you might be wondering, what exactly is a knock sensor and why does it matter? Simply put, a knock sensor is a critical component in modern engines that helps detect and prevent engine knocking or pinging. This knocking sound is essentially a sign that the fuel mixture in your engine is igniting too quickly, which can cause damage over time. By monitoring the engine's operation, the knock sensor sends signals to the engine control unit, or ECU, which then adjusts the engine's timing to prevent this knocking. When knock sensors start to fail or malfunction, it can lead to a host of problems. For one, your engine might start to produce that annoying knocking or pinging sound. But that's just the beginning. A faulty knock sensor can also cause your engine to run less efficiently, leading to decreased performance and fuel economy. In severe cases, it can even lead to engine damage, which can be costly to repair. You might notice your engine hesitating or stumbling, especially under load. This is a clear sign that something's off. Engine performance isn't the only thing affected. Your wallet might take a hit too. A malfunctioning knock sensor can cause your engine to consume more fuel than necessary. This isn't just bad for your bank account, it's also worse for the environment. So, it's in your best interest to keep an eye on your knock sensor's health. Moreover, ignoring a faulty knock sensor can lead to more serious engine problems down the line. It's like ignoring a small crack in your windshield. Over time, it can spread and become a much bigger, more expensive issue. The technology behind knock sensors is actually pretty fascinating. They work by detecting the vibrations or knocks within your engine. These vibrations are a result of the fuel mixture igniting too quickly. The sensor picks up on these vibrations and sends a signal to the ECU. The ECU then adjusts the ignition timing to prevent engine knock. It's a continuous process that happens while your engine is running. Essentially, the knock sensor is like a listening device that monitors your engine's operation. It's constantly on the lookout for any signs of abnormal combustion. When it detects such a sign, it immediately sends a signal to the ECU. The ECU then makes the necessary adjustments to prevent damage. Modern knock sensors are incredibly sensitive and can pick up on very slight vibrations within the engine. This sensitivity allows for very precise adjustments to be made to the engine's timing. It's a testament to how far engine technology has come. The signals sent to the ECU are what allow it to make these adjustments. It's a real-time process that happens while you're driving. The ECU is constantly communicating with various sensors, including the knock sensor, to ensure your engine runs smoothly. Let's look at a case study that really highlights the importance of a functioning knock sensor. There was a car owner who noticed that his vehicle had started to make a strange knocking sound. After some investigation, it turned out that his knock sensor was faulty. Once replaced, the knocking sound disappeared, and his engine performance improved significantly. Not only did his car run smoother, but he also noticed an improvement in his fuel economy. The owner was thrilled to see these changes, especially given how easy the fix was. It just goes to show how crucial a functioning knock sensor is to your engine's overall health. A small component can make a big difference. In another instance, a driver experienced severe engine knock that led to costly repairs. It turned out that a faulty knock sensor was to blame. The driver had ignored the initial knocking sound, which eventually led to more serious engine damage. It's a stark reminder of the importance of addressing issues promptly. The moral of the story is clear. A functioning knock sensor is essential for maintaining your engine's performance and longevity. To wrap things up, we've covered the basics of knock sensors, common issues that arise when they fail, and even looked at some real-life examples of their impact. The key takeaway is that knock sensors play a vital role in maintaining your engine's health. So, if you've had any experiences with knock sensors, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them. Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Don't forget to check out my other videos on engine maintenance and performance.